Well, actually, the customers already installed the screen, the 10.3 inch screen already. So I'm gonna be showing you how to take it off because I'm gonna see what's wrong with this. It's not hooked up. He just put it right there. He didn't put any wiring to it. So I'm gonna show you the wiring. So here's the wire with the SD CAN bus card, and this is all the wires that come with it. Backup camera, RCA jack for amplifier, GPS system, and some auxiliary, not auxiliary cord, just a USB plug-in. There's two of them. Oh yeah, there's two of them. One of them is for the charger, and one of them for the Applecarplay and Android hooked up. So what I'm gonna be doing right there, the customer pulled this out without plugging it back. So I'm gonna put on reverse. Put on reverse right here and see the wire is not hooked up right here. So I got that out. I'm gonna try this out. Maybe I don't have to, depend on how he did it. Let me see if I can grab it. Yep, I can just pull it like this and slowly, easy, and then it should come out. And let me see if he hooked this up. Okay, the emergency is hooked up, so I'm gonna pull it out. Now I unplugged the passenger indicator, passenger warning lights, and the emergency by pushing it down and pull it out. And then right now I'm gonna turn the heat off. So what we got right here, this is a Chevy, a Pontiac, a Chevy. And the mounting kit is right, so whoever sent him the product, they sent him the wrong items. But luckily, I had the, all the accessory that I needed, but I'm not sure how much. Look at that. This, I could have, I was thinking like, what? This is Toyota right here. And that is not for this. They give them the wrong stuff, and whoever, one of them this is Toyota and Lexus. So this is not gonna work. So I'm gonna check what wire that I need to hook up. So I use this harness right there. It's a little bit cheaper than $139 or $200. So I'm using wrap GM-2105, which is gonna plug in here. I can't believe he got everything right, but they sent him the wrong harness. That's crazy. But I basically plug everything. Where is my plug at? Did I brought it over? Yes, I did. I plug all the color to color, so blue to blue, gray, black, black. So I hook it all that up. I'm gonna hook up a backup camera, so I got this ready. I need to check on key 1 and key 2, which is for the steering wheel. I don't know where it's at yet. I'm not sure if this red wire's got ignition or not. I'm gonna test that real quick. So I use a test light. That red the red harness, that red plug doesn't have accessory. So this 12 volt right there, just making sure it's working. Yep, but that's for 12 volts. So I do need to run this to the fuse. So accessory that I found is one of this right there next to the 25. Towards the one that's closer to the engine is this one right there. I'm gonna take that out. There's two ways you can put it, this type, or you can just fuse it out there. I'm gonna check and see which one is the power side, which one is the ignition fuse side. So right there is no light. Right there is a light. So you want to put the wire this way, so something happen, it break the fuse. Or if you use this, just take that 10 amp fuse and put on here, and another 10 amp over here, and it works the same way. So we're running the USB plug, and he's gonna push it through there, and I'm gonna reach and grab it here. See my finger? Yep, I grab this too right there. I will just go ahead and close the glove compartment back. Yep, right there, and then we'll leave the wire right there so the customer can just plug it in right there. That's it. Now I got the red wire hooked up. I'm gonna hook it up to the red plug, not that side, because that's to the car itself, to this over here that say accessory. This time I'm gonna plug this camera input, video input, camera video input in. Remember, this is go to the top, at the top, and then there's gonna be a USB here, USB there, and then this other two you don't really need, because this is for like if he's got the CAN bus, but he bought the wrong piece, and so I just had to make it works. That's what he wants, is to make it works. So I got an aftermarket ADCR1, is for mainly Chrysler, and some of them are Chevy too, but yes, this one, if you look at this, it's more like a Toyota's key. If you really look at, but if you look in the back, it's a Pontiac, but really it's Toyota. That's why they send him a Toyota plug without knowing this is not a Toyota. It's not made by Toyota, it's made by Pontiac. So I got it to come on, but let's see if it works, because I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure it should work, but don't trust me 100%. Gosh, woo! Guy working so hard every day, try to make a living, guys. So it's made by C-Can, that's how you pronounce it, but C-Can. So here we go. Where is the audio? Oh yes, I can hear that sound, so that means it works. And I'm looking for a radio, guys. Where's the radio at? Where is the radio at, guys? Here it is. Woo, yes. But he wants this to work, so I'm gonna have to look for which wire is it to plug it into the backup. I mean, the backup camera, the steering wheel control. So yes, it does work. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna connect the, if you count it this way, you're looking at the blue, gray, red, tan. So red is number 3, tan is number 4. So you want to hook up 3 and 4. I'm gonna hook it up, the key 1 to the red, and then key 2 to the tan right there, which is number 4. Yep, everything working. If I put on radio station, everything work. I'm just turn it down right there, and that is how you install, and that is how you not install. That is how you program the steering wheel control for this Pontiac Vibe.